Hello student, we are studying history lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, history and the concept of time. And in previous lecture we finished till to this topic. What we learn in last period? We learn of division time and the timeline, then common era. We learn the time before the common era and Christian era and the measurement of time and method of measuring time. Today we are going to learn historical periods. Before that, student, in first lesson we learn that history is a science that tell us about the past event. Means whatever happened in the past, that history tell us. History is a science that tell us about event that happened in the past. We also learned everyone bygone movement make us a past. The past is the subject of history. The past is a subject of history. In board, since the period of history goes back to the time of birth of our solar system. The time of the birth of our solar system. Our solar system, see, you can see this is our solar system. This is a picture of our solar system. Our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago. Our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago. Our Earth is a planet of solar system. Our Earth is a third planet of our solar system. So it be presumed that Earth was also formed 4.5 billion years ago. Our Earth is also formed the 4.5 billion years ago. Means what is the age of our Earth? Our Earth age is a 4.5 billion year. So in this way our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion year ago. This means our solar system also have a past, and history tell us to try to understand the past event. Whatever happened in the past, history that tell us. The span of 4.5 billion years ago since the Earth formation is a huge period of time. It is not easy to grasp the entire period at once. It is necessary to divide time into the number of stages in order to understand the better. Therefore, the time of history is divided into two main periods. First is prehistoric period and second is historic period. Prehistoric period simply means before the history. Prehistoric period means simply meaning the the before a history. In the prehistoric period is the period for which no written records are available. Prehistoric means what? The prehistoric period is a period for which no written records are available by which to write its history. Okay, prehistoric means no written record available. That's why we cannot write the history accurately. And historic period means the historic period is the period for which written record is available, and using this written record we can write history. So there are two two periods of history. First is prehistory and second is historic period. In prehistoric period there is no written record available. That's why we cannot write history accurately. In historic period, written records are available, evidence are available. That's why we can write history accurately. That's it.